Here and welcome to my second YouTube video. Yay! Okay, sorry. Yeah, I'm actually very proud of myself for putting this out. So proud of myself. Yeah, quite a lot has happened since my very first YouTube video. We're still home though, waiting for the date for our induction. We are still doing clearance. Maybe by next week we should be done with clearance. Just very little is remaining for the clearance. There's bursary and then faculty clearance. So we've gotten our yellow paper. Okay, I'll have to explain what yellow paper is. Like O-level verification stuff here. So we've gotten that, and then it's going to help us to do the bursary clearance and then the faculty clearance, and then guess what? MDCA registration. So we'll fill the form just to get to submit it with the bursary papers and all. So yeah, and there was something exciting happened yesterday. We had our photo shoot. Although a date has not been fixed for our induction, so we just had to take photos, prepare flyers and the invitation and stuff. So guys, I'm going to be sharing what this week has taught me. This week has taught me to be calm, irrespective of the situation or whatever it is that is happening. So something happened on the day of our photo shoot. So I made a dress in Port Harcourt. My sister is a fashion designer here, so she's based in Port Harcourt. So she was supposed to send the dress for me, or it was supposed to arrive here a day before the photo shoot, but it didn't. So it now arrived here 10 a.m. of the day of our photo shoot, and then we booked the studio, the photo shoot studio, for 10 a.m. that same day. And okay, I got to do my hair that morning, and then I also had to do my makeup that morning before 10 a.m. yeah. And then guess what? It was raining, like a kind of rain that you've never seen in Abakaliki. It was raining so heavily that morning. So I was at the I was at the makeup artist place here, and then I got somebody to help me get the dress there. So the dress arrived there, and then I tried it on. It needed some adjustments. It was beautiful, yeah, like, but then it needed some adjustments. You get, I couldn't possibly go to the studio, photoshoot studio, with the dress like that. So I needed to touch it up a bit, you get, just to get the perfect, you know. So the problem now was now finding a place to amend the dress, and guess what? It was still raining very heavily, and I had my hair done, my makeup done. I wasn't about to go out under the rain to go and find a place. So fortunately for me, oh god, I was already freaking out at that point. Like I was almost getting upset. Do you get? Things were not working out the way I planned it in my mind. Do you get? But then, for whatever reason, I just decided to stay calm. Like I was like, what's the worst that could possibly happen? Do you get? Although like we've already made part payments for the photo shoot, do you get? And there was no way we could like start changing plans and all of that. Was not an option, do you get? And then hair, makeup under the rain, it wasn't gelling. So I got to find a place to amend the dress. Oh god, with everything that was happening, this woman was just so nice. She was calm. She just took the dress, I showed her where to amend, and then she was just kind about it. She was nice about it even. And guess what? She's also based in Port Harcourt. Like, she was just so easy to talk. We're making jokes about how it always rains in Port Harcourt and all of that. And at that point, I even forgot what was really happening. I forgot, like, I took my mind completely off the fact that I was already very late for the photo shoots, and then it was raining outside. Then something very nice happened. Immediately she was done repairing the dress, the rain stopped. Like, at that moment, oh god, I was out of my mind. It was just perfect, do you get? And then I got the dress, went out, got a cab, and then it didn't feel like something terrible happened, do you get? Because I had already accepted whatever it is that was happening, and I just stayed calm throughout. Like, I wasn't freaking out, I wasn't upset, I wasn't tensed. Normally I would be like, oh, I want to get this done, blah blah blah. I would even be hurrying the tailor, but then I was just calm all through, and then it turned out fine at the end, or in the end. Oh my god. So yeah, that's what the week has taught me, to be calm irrespective of situations, irrespective of whatever it is that is happening. Just be calm. Your worrying is not going to make anything better. You're getting upset and trashing about it, it's not going to make anything better. Do you get? So yeah, just be calm. Yeah, that's what the week has taught me. So I want to know, what has the week taught you? Yeah, just tell me. Maybe what has the week, what has the day taught you? I want to know in the comment section. Yeah. Gloria here. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.